Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Street Crypto here, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the whole crypto market, where I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are going, and where you guys should be placing buy orders. So Bitcoin is down 8%, and the market is down around about the same, with a 9% regression in most altcoins, 9.3% in Ethereum, nearly 8% in Solana, 10% in XRP, and Polkadot down 12% in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to be talking about just some quick TA and where I think things are going for the whole crypto market in general. Are we going to zero? First of all, that question is fucking stupid. We're not going to zero. Now, this was simply, I would call it just a correction. We've seen massive moves up in the last couple of days. Since the start of October, Bitcoin is up massively. If we just zoom out a little bit, since the 1st of October, Bitcoin is up around nearly 60% to its high of 69K, and currently up 40%. So there's nothing to be scared of, really. If you were sitting on the sidelines, you had some money in hand, and you were looking for an opportunity to buy. Now, obviously, buying at these all-time high levels is not a good idea. And the reason that is because simply we can get some kind of push down like this, which we have got. And is right now a good time to buy Bitcoin? Now, obviously, yes, buying when Bitcoin has regressed nearly 10% is obviously a good time to buy. But the thing you have to be careful for is a possible further breakdown. Now, the things that I'm gonna firstly think are going to happen is testing this trend line again. Now, that would see us move back up on the 4-hour towards 64K again, and this would simply reset RSI. It would make sure the shorts that whales are currently holding are they've either pulled out their shorts by then, or they're adding more shorts. So this would immediately reset RSI if we came back up to 64K. And the reason that is because the strength of the move would quickly turn to bullish, and obviously people and market traders will hop in alike. And I just think testing this trend line is looking likely at this point. Now, obviously testing the trend line like this would see us form a lower high. Now, what does that mean? Well, it usually means we're going to see further downside action. So we saw a lower high at 64K, and we didn't get a breakout above this trend line. We would push further under the trend line and then possibly break support at around 60K. Now, breaking support at 60K could see us test 58K like we saw here, but with an actual close rather than just a wick. So it could see us consolidate in this level for a decent while. However, I think that once we see something like this, we could see RSI similar to down here, and then a pushback up again. I just think that's likely. I think market sentiments are decently high right now, so this correction was majorly needed. And if you guys were smart, you were taking profits at this extreme greed level. And if you weren't taking profits, that's fine. All you have to do is just hodl, just wait a little bit, and things will turn around quick enough, and just buy the dip, really. It's worked in the past every time. It just works. It just works, guys. I've been a trader for nearly 5 years now, and I've been trading crypto in that time as well. And I've seen it time and time again. So if you guys really want to get rich in crypto, you've got to follow what the whales are doing, and you've got to follow market sentiment. So for the short term, I imagine Bitcoin's going to come back up to 64K minimum within the next couple of days or so. However, the alternative is we get a shorter pump, not towards 64K, but something in the middle around 62, 65K, and then we get further like a real push down, breaking support and testing possibly 55K again. Now, the reason I say that is, well, when we saw the dump, the major dump in May, we saw an initial dump here, initial move down like we did here, and we saw a relatively decent pushback up, but eventually we just fucking shat the bed. So that's what you have to be careful for. It is a possibility, but obviously RSI is a little oversold at the moment, but there is still more room to go in terms of RSI. And I just think it's likely that we get some kind of relief before or if we get an eventual move down. So buy the dip, just hodl, guys, be a bit patient, and check out if we are going to, flip this trend line. Now that's the most important thing for the immediate term, because if we get a new high or close above 66.7K, that is a really, really good sign, because it means we're at least going to consolidate above the levels of 60K for a decent while, and it means you bought the dip fucking perfectly. But that was just a quick video, guys. If you guys want me to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.